To stop your iPhone or iPad from requiring a password when installing apps, you can easily modify the settings. When you try to download an app, it typically prompts you to enter your Apple ID password. However, you can change this by opening the settings on your device, scrolling down to the second group of options, and selecting Screen Time. Within Screen Time, scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions and select that option. From there, choose iTunes and App Store purchases. And at the bottom, you'll see the option to require password. Simply toggle this to Do Not Require. Once you've made this change, you can close the settings and return to the App Store, where you'll be able to download apps without being prompted for a password. This modification allows you to download apps at your convenience, without the need for repeated password entry.